Welcome back to my channel. USA Cars Detail. The 2025 Honda CB Unicorn 150 continues its legacy as one of the most reliable and practical commuter motorcycles in the market, blending Honda's renowned performance with a touch of modern updates. At first glance, the design stays true to its classic commuter look, but with a few refined touches that make it more appealing. The bodywork has been streamlined for better aerodynamics, and the fit and finish showcase Honda's attention to detail. The chrome accents on the exhaust and the bold graphics add a premium feel without making it look flashy. Available in multiple colors, the 2025 Unicorn retains its simple yet timeless charm. Under the hood, the bike is powered by a 149.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering around 12.9 PS of power and 13 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox that offers seamless shifts, making city commutes and occasional highway rides comfortable and stress-free. One of the biggest highlights is the advanced fuel injection system, which not only improves throttle response but also enhances fuel efficiency. With Honda's HET technology, the Unicorn can deliver an impressive mileage of around 60 km per liter under standard riding conditions, making it one of the most economical choices in its segment. The ride quality is what sets the CB Unicorn apart. It comes equipped with telescopic front forks and a monoshock rear suspension that absorbs bumps with ease, ensuring a plush and stable ride even on rough roads. The comfortable single-piece seat is well cushioned, making long rides less tiring for both the rider and pillion. The bike also maintains a practical 798mm seat height, which is ideal for most riders. Weighing in at around 140 kilograms, the Unicorn feels well-balanced and easy to maneuver in traffic. When it comes to braking, the bike offers a front disc and rear drum combination with the added safety of a single-channel ABS system, ensuring controlled stops even during emergency braking. The 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in tubeless tires provide good grip and stability. The instrument cluster is semi-digital, giving you a blend of analog elegance and digital practicality, including features like speedometer, odometer, fuel gauge, and trip meter. Honda has also paid attention to durability and low maintenance, which has always been the Unicorn's strong suit. The engine refinement is top-notch, and minimal vibrations at cruising speeds make for a pleasant riding experience. With a fuel tank capacity of 13 liters, the bike offers excellent range for daily use and occasional long rides. Pricing is expected to be competitive, making it a great value for money in the 150 cubic centimeters commuter segment. The 2025 Honda CB Unicorn 150 stays true to its roots while adapting to modern demands. It is an ideal choice for riders who prioritize comfort, fuel efficiency, reliability, and a touch of elegance without going overboard on style or performance. If you're looking for a practical and dependable bike, the Unicorn remains a strong contender in its category.